Welcome to Computer with Daily. Here we will learn how to hide or unhide file extension in Windows 11 with different ways. So let's move toward learning. At the end of this video, you will learn what is file extension and different ways to hide and unhide file extension in Windows 11 or Windows 10. What is file extension and why it is useful? Let's see. The file extension is what identifies the type of files and helpful to detect malicious files. On Windows system, file extensions are hidden by default. Example of file extensions are .mp3, .wav, .wma, .jpg, .png, .html, .js, .css. All are the different types of file extension. So let's move toward how to hide and unhide file extension. This is the very first method to show or hide file extension in Windows 11 using File Explorer. This is the simplest method to hide or unhide file extension in Windows 11 or Windows 10. For that you have to open File Explorer. You can open File Explorer by going in Windows icon and go to File Explorer or just pressing shortcut key Windows plus E. You can open File Explorer using shortcut key Windows plus E and your File Explorer will open. I have already opened this File Explorer. So now I am showing you how to unhide or hide file extension in Windows File Explorer. For that, go to View tab, then Show and click on File Name Extension. When you tick on this option, it will show file extension. As you can see now, all files are with file extension. The same way you can hide file extension by going View tab, then Show and remove this tick mark, and file extension are gone. Right? So this is the simplest method. Try it now. Let's learn another method to hide or unhide file extension in Windows 11 using File Explorer option. Here I will show you how to hide and unhide file extension in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using File Explorer option. So let's start it. For that, just go into Control Panel. Control Panel is here. Open it. I am dividing the screen into two parts so we can easily see what happened when we change some settings. Okay, so let's head toward Control Panel. In this Control Panel window, select View by as category. Right. After that, go to Appearance and Personalization. Here, select File Explorer options. It will open window, and in this window, go to View tab. In Advanced Setting, we have to find Hide Extension for non-file types. Okay. So in this setting, just remove this tick mark to unhide file extension. I am doing this. I am removing tick mark from this setting and applying. So you can see now extension is visible of all kind of file. Same way you can hide. Just tick mark over here and press apply button. So you can see now file extensions are removed. This way you can hide or unhide file extension in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's play with Registry editor to hide or unhide file extension. This method is little bit tricky, so I am not recommending this to beginners. In this method we have to open Registry editor window, then we have to head to this path: computer, H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer and Advanced tab. Now in Advanced tab, on the right side we have to find hide file ext. Double click on it to open edit window. Now here you can change value data 1 to hide the file extension and 0 to show up the file extension and 1 for hide the file extension. So let's do it with practical. For that we have to open Registry window, press Windows plus R key to open Run dialog box, then type REGEDT regedit and press OK to open Registry window. Now let's move to the path we already have seen: computer, H current user, software, there find Microsoft. In Microsoft, go to Windows, go to current version, there Explorer and Advanced tab. Okay, and here you can see hide file ext. Double click on it to open edit window. Here already value 1 is given. You can change value 0 to unhide file extension and 1 to hide file extension, and then press OK. And to give this effect you have to restart your computer. That's it for this method. Did you find this helpful? Then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for new awesome videos. Thank you for learning with Computer Bits Daily. Keep learning, keep sharing, stay safe.